Ready? One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we got spanked.
Bronze medal. Bronze medal.
Yes. Pay for effort.
Solid drumming. Solid drumming.
We're way off beat. Yeah, they're definitely lower. I will never do CrossFit.
I'll do weightlifting and running.
God, that really scares me.
Everybody look ahead. Don't look at the water. 1 to 10, you know? Okay, paddles up. Take it away. Here's a good place to work on staying together. Nice and easy paddling. Look ahead, just concentrate on staying together. Nice and easy. Go in when the paddle plunging goes in, come out at your hip when they come out. Look at the water. There you go. There you go. Look up, stay together. Hold that stick high, Grace. There you go. You're all good? Look up and stay together. Okay, there you go.
She's speeding up.
Right side, get the shot together. Okay, let it run. Okay, guys, that was much better staying together, so. Don't try to kill it. It's more important that you're together. Don't look at the water. Don't look at the water. Look at the paddlers in front of you to get on. And make sure you get that paddle all the way buried.
Don't need to smile. Come on.
I can't stop smiling. I'm smiling. I'm looking at the little.
I'm so damn happy.
What do we get?
That was. opposite we want. I get it now.
Look at the Alexanders, they're always ready to help. Help in the competition.
Left side, hold the boat, leave paddles. Hold hard. Let it run. Good job.
Come on out. Yeah. I think you leave the oars in there, but I'll help you.
Exit, exit. Kind of organized, guys.
Let's get off the dock. Leave the paddles in the
Oh, crap.
You really have to move off the dock.